welcome to Books and Cooks. This week I am focusing on a cookbook out of our Libby digital collection. So it's right here on my phone, the book. It's an ebook that I downloaded, and the title of the book is Flour by Joanne Chang. Joanne Chang was a student at Harvard University, and during her time as a student she was always baking cookies and discovered nothing made her happier than when she was baking cookies. So she turned that passion into a career and opened up a bakery in Boston called Flour. And I think it's extremely successful, and it actually has several locations in the Boston area. And then she published her cookbook or baking book of the same title, Flour. Flour contains 150 recipes of mostly sweets and mostly baked items. The book also includes 12 essential tips for every baker, includes techniques and equipment that make for successful baking. And the book is divided into 6 chapters. There's a chapter for breakfast treats, a chapter for cookies, a chapter for cakes, a chapter for pies and tarts. There's a chapter for non-baked sweets, so things like custards and sorbets. And then she has one for bread, so not necessarily sweets, but also savory breads like focaccias. So like many people, I had a few very ripe bananas, and of course I thought, let me make some banana bread. And I was very fortunate to find a banana bread recipe in Joanne Chang's book. So I decided to go for it and make her banana bread. I don't have like one go-to banana bread recipe, so it's always fun to find new ones. And her recipe asked for a 9x5 loaf pan, but I thought I was gonna make some mini ones to send in the mail to my girls, and also maybe save one for my husband and I to enjoy with our Sunday morning breakfast. So I hope you get to check out Flour by Joanne Chang. It's on Libby or Overdrive, and maybe you'll discover some other yummy baking adventures in this book. I know I've already have my eye on several. So thanks for joining me today, and see you next time. So I made 4 loaves, but the other 3 are tucked away to mail, so saving one for ourselves. This is the banana.
All right. Cheers. Oh wow, so creamy, so moist. Wow, that's incredible.
That's really good. And there's just walnuts in it. It's very simple.
Yeah. Happy brunch.
Yeah.